हो गया सर? स्टार्ट। My dear students, good morning. I hope that you are using my lectures for your study purpose. In this regard, I want to tell you that while describing different type of chemical reaction, I have come at the last point, that is the reduction oxidation reaction. Although in your book it is written as oxidation reduction reaction, but I have written here as a reduction oxidation reaction because to reduce it in this form, REDOX, redox, the reduction RED, that is RED and OX, these three letters of reduction and first two letters of oxidation combine to form the redox. So this reaction is also called a redox reaction. Firstly, see what is reduction and what is oxidation reaction separately. Oxidation reaction according to old concept, oxidation is the process of first point, addition of oxygen to a substance second point, the removal of hydrogen from a substance. If you combine both the points, here you will get a definition. Oxidation is the process of addition of oxygen to a substance or a removal of hydrogen from a substance. That is, oxidation is the process in which oxygen is added to a substance, or oxidation is the process in which hydrogen is removed from a substance. This is a very old definition. So, oxidation is the process of adding oxygen to a substance or removing hydrogen from a substance. Now take an example. Sodium plus oxygen, that is when sodium metal is kept in open air, it reacts with oxygen and produce sodium oxide. Balance them, although you know how a chemical equation is balanced. Right, there states the physical states. This is oxidation. Here, addition of oxygen. Oxygen is added to sodium in this reaction. So this reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Now see the second point, a reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. The reduction is the process of the removing oxygen from a substance or adding hydrogen to a substance. Take an example here. For example, when copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, what happens? We get copper metal and water. Here you see in this reaction, oxygen is removed from copper oxide. There is the removal of oxygen from copper oxide. So this reaction is called as reduction reaction. There is the reduction of CuO to Cu. One thing more, hydrogen is added to a substance. Here, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Therefore, addition of hydrogen to a substance. So, the reduction is the process of removing oxygen from a substance or adding hydrogen to a substance. This is the old concept about oxidation and reduction. See some modern concept regarding this. And before knowing the modern concept, I want to tell here the redox reaction, that is oxidation and reduction reaction do not take place separately. There is no independent existence of either oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction go together, simultaneous process, right? In the same way, just you can consider, suppose there is a donor. Suppose कि कोई दान देना चाहता है, ज़कात देना चाहता है, लेकिन लेने वाला ही ना हो, तो देगा किसको? तो एक्सेप्टर भी होना चाहिए. डोनर और एक्सेप्टर दोनों होंगे तभी डोनेशन होगा, चैरिटी होगी, दान दिया जाएगा, right? In the same way, this is the same condition for oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction go together. Oxidation and reduction is a simultaneous process. There is no independent existence of either oxidation or reduction reaction. इनका कोई अपना अलग अलग इंडिपेंडेंट अस्तित्व नहीं है, right? That is, the process of reduction and oxidation is collectively called as redox reaction. In reduction, the process of oxidation and reduction reaction is collectively known as redox reaction. Right? See the modern concept regarding oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. This is there is electronic concept. Electronic concept. Electronic concept. You know that an atom is made of electron, proton and neutrons. Proton and neutrons are present inside nucleus of an atom, whereas electrons revolve around nucleus in their definite energy level. Here see the process of losing one or more electrons from an atom or ion is called oxidation. In short, you can say the process of de-electronation. D means removal, De. That is de-electronation, the removal of electrons. That is the process of de-electronation. De-electronation. De-electronation means removal of electrons. The process of de-electronation of an atom or ion is called oxidation. For example, see, when that is sodium atom loses one electron and forms sodium cation. Magnesium atom loses two electrons and forms bivalent magnesium cation, magnesium ion. Similarly, Fe2 plus, it loses one electron and it forms cation. The process of losing one or more electrons from an atom, you see the sodium and magnesium are atom. So the process of losing one or more electron from an atom or ion, Fe2 plus, iron second cation, and it is converting into iron third cation to an ion. That is the process of de-electronation of an atom. Process of de-electronation, not of from an atom or ion, is called oxidation. So this is the modern concept regarding oxidation, the electronic concept. In the same way, the process of gaining one or more electron by an atom or ion is called reduction. That is the process of electronation. Reduction is the process of electronation. Electronation. Take an example. Oxygen atom takes two electrons and form oxide ion. Fluorine atom takes one electron and forms fluoride ion. Nitrogen atom takes three electrons and form nitride ion. So these are here in this process. What happens? Gaining of electron. Here two electron is added. There two electrons are gained by oxygen atom. Here one electron is gained by fluorine atom, and here three electrons are gained by nitrogen atom. Right? So this is the process of reduction. Now see, oxidizing agent, in bracket oxidant, oxidizing agent, a chemical substance which helps the reduction of an oxidation of another substance. A chemical substance that helps in oxidation of another substance. oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent, in bracket oxidant, a reducing agent, in bracket a reductant, a chemical substance that helps in reduction of another substance is called the reducing agent. That is a reductant. Here oxidizing agent undergo the reduction, whereas a reducing agent undergo oxidation. Take an example: Cu plus O2 CuO. See here, copper undergo oxidation. Copper undergoes oxidation. That is, copper helps the reduction of oxygen. You know that oxidation and reduction is a simultaneous process. Here one substance is oxidized and another one is reduced. So here oxidation. Oxidation of copper is taking place here. So copper is the reductant, a reducing agent, and oxygen, a reduction of oxygen takes place. So oxygen is oxidant. Just see and take another example and try to write. In this case, magnesium plus O2, they react to form magnesium oxide. In this case, magnesium undergo oxidation and oxygen undergo the reduction. Now try to write here which one is the reductant and which one is oxidant. Try. You will find that magnesium is a reductant, whereas oxygen is oxidant. Now I am going to give you some homework. Define oxidation and reduction reaction Second question, give electronic concept about redox reaction. Redox reaction means oxidation and reduction reaction. with one example of each. Third question. Is there an independent existence of oxidation and reduction reaction? Fourth question. Identify oxidizing and reducing agent in following reaction. Zinc plus O2 or here zinc plus HCl, they react to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen. D ZnO plus C they react to form zinc plus carbon monoxide C MnO2 plus HCl they react to form MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Thank you very much.